Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know from the title of my review, this is a review of the Lakme Forever Matte Lipstick. So this is my first Forever Matte lipstick from Lakme. This is in the shade 03 Red Revival. 5.6 ml of product of liquid lipstick, and the packaging is quite good. I like the packaging. I mean, you can see the inside color of the lipstick. There are some liquid lipsticks like the Lakme 9251 do not have a transparent bottle. I mean, they have an opaque bottle. You cannot see the inside of the lipstick, what color is it, but this has that transparency. I mean, you can see from outside what color is it. So the wand, let's talk about the applicator. I kind of don't like the applicator. This is the applicator. The applicator is very stiff and it's not flexible. It does not glide very easily on your lips. People who have difficulty in wearing liquid lipsticks, they will have very much difficulty using this wand from the Lakme Forever Matte. Lakme should have worked on the wand, the applicator. This is very stiff and it's not at all comfortable on your lips. As you can see, it's very stiff. The cost of the product, this costs rupees 295. I bought this from Nykaa and I did not get any discount, so I think the pricing is quite reasonable. For a brand like Lakme, 295 is quite reasonable. Anyways, now let us go to the swatch this product. First I'll swatch it on my lips. So I was just wearing a nude shade. I'll just remove it. I'll just show you how I apply my liquid lipstick and how this is very difficult to apply. You can just make that cross first and then apply it like that, so that will be easier. That's how I apply my liquid lipstick. I mean, I find it really easy to apply like that because you just form that cross, and then this was a tutorial for the people who cannot apply liquid lipstick also. I have some friends who have a very much difficulty to apply liquid lipsticks, so that was again a tutorial for them. Now for the hand swatch, I'll just show you on my hand. That's my hand swatch. I mean, I really love the color. Yes, I do, and you can see the color has really brightened up my face. This kind of color really suits every skin tone. This is that kind of red that will suit every skin tone. I mean, some people has this difficulty in choosing the reds, but I think this red will suit every skin tone. The staying power or the longevity of this lipstick is not good. I mean, if you do not speak, do not eat, and just stay like that quiet, then this might stay for 2 hours. But I am a person who speaks a lot, so no, this started disappearing from my center of my lips within half an hour. That's not good. I really want to talk about the formulation of this lipstick. This is matte. You can see my lips. Yeah, it's kind of matte, not so matte, maybe it's okay. Anyways, so the formulation is kind of sticky. It feels really sticky on your lips. You can see, my lips are sticking, so you can understand it's sticky, and it's not very comfortable on your lips. I mean, you can feel that there's something, kind of something on your lips because it's sticky. Maybe that is the reason. And yes, this is not transfer proof. Yes, it's not transfer proof. It should have been transfer proof, but it's not. I will show you that it's not transfer proof. See, my fingers are stained. I don't know if you can understand, or I'll just do the tissue paper test and show you. Just give me a sec. This is a tissue paper. I have folded it, and there you see the tissue stained, as you can understand. So it's not transfer proof, and definitely a coffee cup is going to be stained by this lipstick, which is not impressive at all. That's really not a good thing about a lipstick. And liquid lipsticks, it's okay, but liquid lipstick should not be transferable. So I don't like that thing about this lipstick at all. You know what, even there's no fragrance to this. I mean, some lipsticks are there, even the Lakme one, other 9 to 5 and other ranges, they have a very good fragrance and it's good on your lips. This does not have that fragrance. It's okay. I know some people might like that part, that this does not have fragrance. Consistency is also very runny. I will kind of try to show you. See, can you see this? It's very runny. I mean, you have to just dip your wand 100 times to apply on your lips. So that's not good. I'm not very happy with this buy. You know, I had really high hopes from Lakme with this product, but it disappointed me. I mean, there are other ranges from Lakme, the 9 to 5 and other ranges, they are really good. So I had really high hopes, but no, not good. I do not recommend this product. You know, seriously, don't invest your money on this range from Lakme. I know the colors are very tempting and I know the price is very tempting, but invest in some other range from Lakme or any other brand liquid lipstick, not this. I did not find it very good. That was my review about Lakme, the Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the range was a Red Revival. So I will not buy this again. This is my first and last purchase of the lipstick. You can try it out if you want, but I will not recommend it. Definitely I will not recommend it. And thank you so much for watching the full video, and do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, and please comment below. Thank you so much.